Hey, this is Max Anstie.
I'm Austin Kent, and this is 5 Questions with Max Anstie. Weirdest thing you've had to autograph?
Oh. Cool. Well, I mean, you know, the Redbud when I was young, when I was like 16, I signed a set of boobies. I don't know if I can say that on the old socials, but a few random shoes, like phones, people's heads. Yeah, I don't know, a few random things like that.
All right, question number 2. Favorite track or city and why?
Well, outdoors, I'll go with Matley Basin just purely because it's home for me.
Okay.
Matley Basin in England, where the Motocross Nations has been a few times. That's like, the vibe's cool. It's always great for me to go there. Cool jumps. Supercross, even though my results haven't been great, I always do like Daytona. And
Change that this year, hopefully.
Tampa, I like Tampa. Tampa, the city's cool, and Tampa, I like. I tend to do well there at that track. In the Supercross series, whenever I've been there, dirt's nice. So,
It's because you won, or?
yeah, but I was also good there the year before. Big sand section and a massive set of whoops.
All right.
Happy days.
All right. Question number 3.
Who's
the best trash talker?
Wow, it's obviously...
Riders or mechanics?
Oh yeah, wow. I'm sat next to him. Yeah, sat next to him. I mean, he's obviously had a lot of time around Cooper Webb, so I think Austin and Coop.
Lots of practice.
Yeah, you've had lots of practice.
What's the best or unexpected compliment a fan has ever given you?
Unexpected compliment.
Fans usually don't do that unless they want something, huh?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like in Europe, you get like people bringing you chocolate and stuff because they want a jersey.
Yeah.
But I don't know, not so much from the Americans, but like in Europe, you get people make things for you, or like draw a picture. Like, we've had some sick pictures drawn. That's been over here in Supercross. Like, some guys have drawn like a really sick picture, and that's pretty cool. And I guess that's a compliment in itself, because so yeah, kind of something.
They're taking the time out of their day to make you something.
Yeah.
All right, question number 5.
I'm out on that one. I don't know.
Who is the funniest rider on the team?
Funniest rider on the team, well, apart from me.
Here we go.
Funniest. I mean, Mosey comes out with some one-liners. Mosey, Minier also, Cade Minier,
he's always happy. And
yeah, he's always, but I'd say out of the pro guys at the minute, Mosey definitely comes out with the most, the most different, I guess, funny comments.
This has been 5 Questions with Max Anstie. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.